What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing our daily open technical analysis on Bitcoin and how we've basically shot up to the moon so far. We haven't really had that much price action throughout the day if you guys saw my first video, but the good news is that we have officially made our bullish cross. If we can close this candle above this candle, then we would have made an official bullish cross right now. And you know what that means? That means Moon City. Moon City. The last time we had this bullish cross was all the way back over here, back in May 13th, right? And then it just went absolutely bananas from that point. And then from here, we had, we never, oh my God, we never actually had a bearish cross, an official bearish cross. They touched right here, but they never had an official bearish cross. Wow. Oh, actually, no, wait, I'm sorry. We'd have to have the 55 come above the 100. We're almost there. I got a little bit carried away there, people. But yeah, what we're going to do is just go over kind of what happened a little bit, what price targets I'm looking for in the immediate short term, all right? So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to BYBIT using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with BYBIT or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. All right, so with Bitcoin, what do we got going on right here? Well, some of you guys may or may not know, but let's just go ahead and kind of recap what we've got going on here. Well, for my profits and losses, well, first things first, my friend was basically able to make, today he was able to make, in 3 hours, was able to make $3,000. So this is somebody in the Discord that we've got going on with the community over here. 3K. In about 3 hours. That's $1,000 an hour. I don't know too many people that are making that much amount of money, but that's pretty damn good. So congratulations to you. But right now we're also looking at this 30-minute trend line right here. We're waiting for that to possibly be broken, but I'm not exactly sure if that's actually going to happen, because we could, as you guys can see here, the bearish divergences were happening. If we just load this up really quickly, the bearish divergences were happening here, but price was just like, nah, screw you guys, I'm going up. So we could end up coming back down, touching this price action somewhere, maybe like right around here, something like that, and then pop back up. But for the most part, just by looking at the price action, the next area that I'd want to be looking for Bitcoin to possibly find some support would be around here. So you guys can see that big number for you guys, or all the way down to like maybe somewhere around here. Okay, so these are the two areas. 47K basically psychological, all the way to down to like 46,500. If we do continue to break down there, well, again, it's going to be just gaps. We're just looking at the gap fills here. 46K all the way down to about 45,500, and then the next area would be this support and resistance flip right around here. So if we just take a look at this little area right around here, 44,800 all the way down to 44,300 ish. Okay, so those are the three levels. Those are the three key levels that we're talking about. Just looking at, just based off of the price action here. Okay, you have your gaps, you have your support and resistance levels, and consolidation levels. These are all three of the levels that we are basically looking at. Okay, and so to the upside, if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we are basically looking at the fact that if we pull the fib from here to here, we basically hit the 618, start of the golden zone. Okay, so I've had this idea right here for this little red box for a very, very long time, if you guys have been watching my videos. So this is an area that we're kind of looking for right now. But oh yeah, I was supposed to go over some things with you guys. So for the wins and the losses, You guys can see here that yesterday, even on the live video, okay, took this trade live on YouTube. You guys can actually go watch it yourself if you guys would like. It's pretty educational, I would say so myself, but we basically longed all the way down here at this bottom, took profit number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and then now we're just trailing our stops right now. So I'll just bring these bad boys up right here. So this was the trade number 1. You can see here is 44,000 basically, and we took profit up here at like 45,000, took profit at 45,700 ish. Here's 46,300 above these highs, and then we took profit at the absolute highs up here again at 46,800 ish. Okay, and so now we're just kind of like trailing the stops up because who knows where this thing's going to go. But basically long the absolute bottom right here, kind of explained that the reason why we were looking at that is because we had a 3 drives pattern. I was talking about this on the video earlier today. We had a 3 drives pattern into the daily level that one of the subscribers, one of the followers in the Discord basically called that. They were saying it right here. What about going down and grabbing the liquidity at 43,800 daily open plus the order block, and we basically hit it to the dollar and we have gone up from there. So I'm just going to be honest, within the next day I expect us to possibly try to find some type of resistance up here. Maybe I'm not exactly sure. I think that we could just have some like sideways action for the rest of the weekend. Because this is, I don't know, man, people just longing. Nobody really longed right here. If I show the net longs, net shorts, at least over on BYBIT, this whole move to the upside was caused by everybody getting stopped out. You guys can see here, this literally says zero longs open. There was no breakout traders here. This was just all shorts getting stopped out, at least on BYBIT. Like I said, maybe on Binance and other exchanges, but on BYBIT it's saying nobody broke out trade this. This was all moves up based off of people shorting. Then everybody FOMO'd. They got stopped out right here. Then these people tried to long with like 100x leverage, $50 million on each position size, then instantly got stopped out. And yeah, now we've just got a bunch of people longing and a bunch of people shorting at the same exact time. So that's why we're kind of just going sideways right now. But other than that, yeah, I just kind of going over that. Let's go over the previous day levels here. We do have a possibility of an 80% setup if we do start to come back down, and the 80% setup would end around that area that I was talking about when you come down to this section right here at around 44,600. Okay, and that's if we break this trend line, like I was telling everybody in the Discord around here. Yeah, so we were talking about this 15-minute RSI and the 30-minute RSI, and what else is there? I think that's about it. Yeah, we did have this pitchfork also kind of stopping us out here. So yeah, we've given some levels to the downside, some levels to the upside, and so thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%, go down below, join us over on BYBIT. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on BYBIT already, take that crypto, put it onto your new BYBIT account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts, let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section, where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now, probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade, we trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on BYBIT, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.